Okay, welcome back, guys. We're going to be solving another question from the second chapter of dynamics by Meriam, and we have the system right here that at a certain instant, the velocity of cylinder B is 1.2 meter per second down. So this block is going down at the velocity of 1.2 meter per second, and its acceleration is 2 meter per second square up. So velocity is down and the acceleration of B is going to be 2 meter per second square up. So we need to determine the corresponding velocity and acceleration of the block A. So same strategy that we talked about in previous video, we have one single cable that goes around these pulleys. So that's the cable that we have, and obviously it has a constant length. Just show that with L, and we're gonna see the different parts that kind of show the velocity of each block. So we have this distance and this distance, we can call it SA for block A, and we're gonna have these three for block B, we can call it SB. One assumption that we're gonna make in here is that all these three lines are parallel, so they are in the same length. So we need to have that assumption, and the rest of this is pretty much the constant of the cable, including all the red parts that I'm showing here, and we have this part. And also there is this part. So we're gonna call all the red parts constant, and we're gonna have 2SA here and 3SB for the block B. And as we talked about, velocity is the derivative of our displacement over time, and our acceleration is derivative of the velocity over time. So let's just do the first differentiation. So dl over dt is going to be 0 because it's a constant. This one's going to give us the velocity of A, and this one the velocity of B, and the constant is going to be 0 too. So from here we can find the velocity of A because we have the velocity of the B. So 2VA is going to be negative 3VB, or our VA is negative 3 divided by 2, and VB is 1.2, so this is going to be 0.6. So VA is going to be negative 1.8 meter per second. The negative sign shows that this is actually going up, or like moving in this direction. And the second equation, we have VA, we can use actually what we found in here. VA is negative 3 half of VB, and we're going to do our differentiation with respect to time. So that's going to give us acceleration negative 3 half of acceleration in B. So the acceleration of A is going to be negative 3 half of 2, which is going to be negative 3. And since the acceleration of AB is upward, this is the negative direction of that, so it's going to be downward. The negative sign pretty much shows that whatever direction the other one has, the other block is going to be in the opposite direction of that. So hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.